In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the new quizzes feature in Canvas, as well as how to use some of the basic features. So the first thing that you need to do is in your course, you need to go to Settings, and that's the very bottom of your course menu. And then here, Course Details is most likely what's going to be the active tab, so you need to go over to Feature Options. And then you need to go down here where it says New Quizzes. Make sure that this is on the green green with a white check mark. That's what you want to see, as opposed to what the other other buttons look like. So you want it to be green. So that turns on the new quizzes. Then you need to go over to Quizzes, and this is how you're going to start creating a new quiz. So you'll click on Plus Quiz. Then you're going to put in the name. It already has a submission type as an external tool because we're using new quizzes. You enter in all the information that you would normally enter for a quiz. And then you're going to save and publish. Okay, so then you're going to get this screen here where it has by default on the build, it's on the build part of the quiz creation. What you want to do is go over to Settings, and this is going to give you the option to shuffle questions or answers or do all of these other things within the quiz. So we want to make sure that the questions are shuffled. So I'm going to turn that on. Let's see, I want to have a time limit, so I want it to be 30 minutes for the time limit, and I only want one attempt, so I'm going to leave all of that the same. So then when I'm finished with those settings, I'll go back to Build, and then this is where I'm going to add my questions. So I'll click plus here, and then I choose the type of question that I want to create. Now, after you have created all of your questions for the quiz and you're ready to go, you will, if you want to use Respondus Lockdown Browser, you'll click Return, and then you're going to go over here to Lockdown Browser in your navigation menu, and then you're going to see here Quiz 2. At the moment, it's not required for a Lockdown Browser, but we want to make that required, so you click the drop-down menu here, click Settings, and then you want to require Respondus Lockdown Browser for this exam. And then it gives you all of these other options, and then you're going to click Save and Close. And now for Quiz 2, Respondus Lockdown Browser is a requirement.